Alright.
Yeah.
I had to climb around the damn thing.
It's good thing we're not big guys, right?
Yep.
Alright.
I'd never get back in there again.
Hey. You got it out of gear?
Yep. What am I doing? Oh.
Hey, you know what?
What?
Let's prime your system real quick.
All right.
Don't fire it off, but put it in gear so we can build your oil pressure and everything. And then right before we get to where you're going to do the turn, pull it out of gear. Or once you see your oil pressure's built, pull it out of gear. And then
Okay.
I'll give you a nice quick shove to go around the turn, and then we'll fire it back off coming this way.
All right. I can't pull it out of gear.
Got it out of gear?
I can't get it out of gear.
Hold on. Let me back up a little.
See if it is still in gear or not.
No, you're out.
All right, cool.
Got good oil pressure?
Yep.
Let me pull you up about 10 feet. All right. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go again. You ready?
Yep.